In this video, I'll show you how to use Claude AI for Etsy listings. This is a quick way to create optimized product listings that can help improve visibility and sales on Etsy. To begin, I'll make sure I'm already logged into my Claude account and on the main Claude screen. Next, I'll click inside the message box in the center of the screen, where Claude asks, "How can I help you today?" Now I'll type a prompt asking Claude to create an Etsy listing. For example, I might type, "Write an Etsy listing for a handmade soy candle." After typing the prompt, I'll click the send button. Claude will generate a full listing, including a product title, description, tags, and keywords. If I want better results, I can include more details in my prompt, such as product features, materials, or target audience. For example, I might type, "Write an Etsy listing for a lavender-scented soy candle with eco-friendly packaging." Claude can also help optimize the listing with SEO-friendly keywords and engaging descriptions to attract more buyers. If needed, I can paste an existing listing and ask Claude to improve or rewrite it. Once the listing is ready, I can copy it and upload it to my Etsy shop. And that's it. I've successfully used Claude AI for Etsy listings. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick AI tutorials and guides.